Greetings and welcome, my dear fellow collectors, to Busy Bee from Germany. Today we discover the secret of the knee joint of Barbie. I got one Barbie doll with a broken knee a while ago, and you can see her joint. That may lead you to the question, how does it work? And here's the answer. I have copied my copy of the patent for the bendable legs. It makes it easier to understand why. I have marked the position to look at with an arrow, a pink arrow to be exactly. As you can see, Barbie has from 1966 onward something like a framework in her legs for the knee joint. Around the framework is the leg made out of rubber. It was melted together in the production. First, the knee joints were made out of metal. They caused sometimes problems since metal and water react when they meet each other. In the Barbie world you can see this as green stains. Later the material was replaced by plastic, but I haven't seen such a knee joint yet. Anyway, I hope you understand what you see now a lot better. A very clever invention, these knee joints. Anyway, thanks for watching. Every Friday comes a new exciting video for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks!